maybe konza sidelela ngijayela kabi jayela kabi wena
Ngizamile ukufonela think kuyizolo amdala libambe
na sebesibhizi my guy
asokushaye
no I'm not really busy as my project ispano
kuyahlangana
I'm busy
awuthi uhlezi ubusy kanti sekusiyafana wona lo sithi awufaka umjithi hayi nje mina this and that mina hayi
I'm busy
alright
not ukuthi ngiyawumbuluzela not ukuthi imbuluzela ispano sakho but in generally
push
I'm busy
hayi yatholakala ama producer vele always busy before singathona isimoshiyalana isikhathi njengoba ohlala busy bafuna ukuzihambela babe izinto zawo mdala
true
nokuyibuza njena umbalwa para
video imibuzo yakho le uzayishayisa ngabantu
hayi awisabi hayi mbuza
anyway asispane make
so like firstly befuza ukuthi like when if I'm not mistaken you started as a designer I don't know as a designer I don't know ukuzothoka because uqalisa uba kwazi like ma post andanda ukuya ngizolungisa ama cover song cover what this and that
wathi waqalela
ngapha because mina mfuba ukuthi waqalela because ngikwazi mina usenza konke but and then you switch I don't know what happened
so like iart yonke ngayiqala 2011 lo DJ Quad qala 2011 lo DJ Quad
alright
yazi DJ Quad mbani
ngizazama ukugugula engqondweni ukuthi
ubhuti wakho ukhatha
wazi ubhuti wami to wazi ubhuti wami
ukhatha ubhuti wena lonke
ukhatha sibini
so qala 2011
alright
lokhatha
alright
and then ukhatha wasipana kakhulu isikhathi lesiyana 2011 2012 20 somewhere 2013 ka 2013 2014 I think ikwavusa khona ubhuti bespace
alright ngalo sisengu DJ Esikhatha kuphela
ngalo DJ waqale ngu DJ Quad anyways indaba zakhe lezi uza kuyezozixoxela ukuthi waqalisa njani
alright
but anyways Putazi I've been with Putas for a very long time my guy
alright
so there was
2011
so there was a time ubhuti bespace ababechise khona
yakhumbula
ababechise khona okuserious so sasilesipane sasisinenge and we needed a graphic designer now
alright
that's when I started mina i-graphic but vele ngangiqalise ngumusic ngapha production ngaqala ngisafundela mina vele i-production
alright
ngaqala ngisafundela i-production so angiqalanga nge-graphics ngaqala ku-production
mina ngazoba kwazi ukuthi
graphics because isikhathi lesiyana ngangiproducer but not okwelevel elalifunwa umputasi
DJ Quad
dothi okwelevel elalifunwa
umputasi uQuad
because waqala like ngiQuad
alright by then ngiyakhumbula and then uzotwa switcher okhuluma bani uBoom
wasikhulumela uBoom
alright that's nice alright and then also producer lina ekhona ku top lapha ku top shot wena u producer lapha nambe wena vele
ngikho producer lapha yenze but vele isipane esiningi sasinjani sasithunwa nguye because ngiyele sound yakhe
alright
and ngiyakwanisa ukubalance sound yakhe
and stuff wena u producer ama beats
mina ngitune i-beat sometimes ngathi beat Putas ethi sweet beat asili spane
and then sefaka i-tag yakhe
I just fake it take ubhuti bespace
alright hayi ngiyakuzwa alright that's nice
but sometimes you yazi like as music ifana especially like production side yazi yawazi ukuthi kule possibility yokuthi akwanisa ukuproduce and then ufise ukuthi any producer maybe phezulu kwakho ekufakela i-tag lakhe
ukuthi
kube ngani lipheke nguye
but elakho level ingekho lapha
even lingekho but yakufisa suluthi even angafakela iteki lakho ukhatha yikho bona khona approvile sharp
uthi liplay
yeah
ukhatha kwachisa isikhathi zabozangalele and stuff
ukhatha
uzongafaka isandleni ukuthi sokulena uzangalele nophithi
that was DJ Scatter.
All right.
Pure.
Okay. So kuphela wena wazoswitcha zophuma lapha so siya ku Indlovu production
amphumanga ngesikhathi like during COVID lapha there was a time engasala ngiyi-1 e-studio Khatha wayengekho Raze ngekho ngasala ngiyi-1
but create your own thing
then I had no choice. Right. Because ngasala ngiyi-1 for a very longest time during COVID. So
wavuka khona
ke ngaqasa khona ukuzenzela isound yami then umuntu wayekhona waba khona futhi eduze kwa uRazi.
Alright.
Yabona so
wasipana i-solo
that's how Indlovu was formed. Yeah.
Okay.
So
wasuthatha uBoom.
Boom ngimthatha nga.
Hayi phela kulesikhathi lapho ukuthi andiyabhudi sasibazi ngobhudi bespace ani but asikuthi wahamba njani bahamba njani mbe wapha ukuthi lo mnye yasibe lo mnye zenza ipush into yakhe sasubona uBoom sengasekho ngapha
I think i-change yabakhona during COVID lapha because uKhatha wayengasekho lapha eForce then uRazi la wayengasekho so umunye wayese push yakhe uKhatha la wayepush esewange hathi ngapha sipusha so asazange ngesathola isikhathi sokuthi sibuyele back kuma project esasiwayenzile kumbeni like qalisa ama project amatsha njengoba ubhuti bespace because from there we got busy to a point yokuthi kunzima vele ukuthi sihlangane si3 up to day yabona kunzima ukuthi sihlangane si3 si busy la yabe busy
but I think kwakungasoze kubenza ukuthi like nje sisibabe kuma YouTube channel bayakwanisa ukuthi apparently kuyasofuna bona
le indaba yabo le
alright
because bona baba
so athi silobhumula le ama projects eliwapusha ke
yeah I've got a lot of projects kathesi under Indlovu Records. Alright. So kule track elimele liphume I think first week August into zonke zingahamba sharp uRazi mele drop i-track elile J Tonga
ngiyora ngiyabona ukusnippet
so ama project akhona ama project sisazo release ama project maningi siyafuna futhi kusebenza ngamanye ama producers but the problem is card sokuthi ngihambe khona ngani yabona notho ukuthi Indlovu asifune like we have got our own sound into esifunayo siyayazi and into esiyenzayo siyayazi so we are open to working with amanye ama producers.
Alright, but alihlangana
but isikhathi sesihluphayo
yabona
hayi isikhathi siyahlupha nje
isikhathi ini kumbe wena vele awufuni into ezikuhlupha ukuhlanganisa labanye abantu
iproblem ekhona yabona sikhulele ku music industry I wanna lie to you like we've been doing music like since way back yabona so vele we have done ama projects like sibaneng I don't wanna lie to you this i-project lo kaSambabeza I think the reason why i-project lana liphumile it's because of Weend ngoba fair bengasoze liphuma i-project lana
bekafiwa
yabona so we have done ama project ama joint projects abaningi but ama joint project ahlupha uku-release because omunye bese utshela ngokuthi yena kalifili sharp
ivesela liseqineni
but nxa ngiyi-1 ngaziproducela into yabe ngiziproducele yona akula umuntu oza ngiquestion ukuthi why uchiyela inji track
yabona lapho kule era khona because mina yabona vele wena so fast since that time
that's the reason why I prefer ukuthi angizenzele like Loraz and the guys isijunele into yethu like ku Indlovu akula Razi kuphela there's also Saifo I've got ama artists ama ku Indlovu I've got ama projects awayenzayo
mina ngicela ukuthi ngawufaka ngicela ungilokuzele unginyalele uyohamba nje
hayi mina sile contract esayenze
wona bawusenzwa i-contract
awuphuma kodwa ucela ifavor wena ungacela ifavor
ayabubhadala but wena ukhanya ule
hayi isikhathi ngeke ngakhuluma lo Kilo Black Spider malangeni la wayefuna sithune project but isikhathi
azombule onedi yambuza mina
isikhathi
ukuthi wena uyawusishayine because yabona uproducer uthi wena uvidan ngafuna ingoma la man $100 ubuye studio ngelangeni
wesi mina ngikhuluma le price
yabo $100 ubuye studio or else hayi but I think wena vele uyayala le mali awusathathi sulabantu futhi angcono ngenza iproject akusiyawazi phela yalifuna ungafika urecord izinto njani usithi nje ingoma wacho mntu lo phuma iphumi ingoma yakho
not ukuthi ayiphuma. I think enye into engenza ngakufunda usebenza labanye abantu abangekho ku step sethu it's because thina mina iproject imdana kwantu kulihlalisa 2 years and now uhlalisa ingoma yakho for 2 years, trust me asozizwana
so we
yabona yikho lapho ukuhlupha khona not ukuthi angifuni ukusebenza labantu but the problem is I take my time.
Alright, so producer ngabe sithi Anita let's work le project yami le bana uyavuma yini?
I'll be very happy to work as long lesikhathi sangikhona.
Andodana awufuni shame. Alright, so but kathi sina lokhata in good books ivelani so alanda yenzakala anything you are in good books with you can work.
Mina lokhata cheki ukhata is more of my brother nje nathi nje umngane kuphela nje because vele ukhata ngumuntu engakhula la the fact ukuthi wayemkhulu kulami vele bengimbona njengebhudazi yabona. So ukhata vele we are always in good books even though razi bazwanana yonke into iswi
ukuthi
I think so. I think bona angiko sure angeke bakhulumele but I mean lokhata we could.
Okay.
So in terms of ukspana I should love to work with ukhata loraz for the one last time nje. Tuni EP la ubhuti wespace nje but isikhathi
ubhuti wespace abasabuya
ubhuti wespace
baqina kumaduve utomba nomaduve baqina maduve
siyachuna siyakwanza ukuthi siphenduke sobhuti wespace nje kube emnandi town
ukuthi
plus I think I problem esa a challenge like umnyama esabalawo like e4 uspana njani sharp like amajita split amanenga kakhulu not just thina kuphela but you see Mafia Kings now quiet like kule Victoria Force magazine akula into eziningi yabona. Then now we've got
we've got what but I'm a producer. I mean I believe it efforts kula ma
we've got good producers. The problem with efforts phela ukuthi asilama vocalist like good vocalist but we've got good producers. Ngabe saba lama good vocalist over good producers ngabe sikhachana this but the problem ukuthi like kule sound brat I can tell you for effect ukuthi ungabhoda ku 5 ma producers ase force yabuya le 5 different tracks 5 different sounds
but mina on behalf of ama artists mina idilana ma producer li raw
simele sidenzeni sithwale
sometimes wena ngabe kathi singithi nje track la mina ngiya record track wena uya like uya recorder liphume sonika so pheli
funa senze
but la nje ngoproducer phela ndinga record ingoma nasi ingoma already o video se record track uyalizwa la li sharp and whether ngiyafusa talent kumbe ngenzani but I track ngaliko chobe abanyama from amanye ama town ngalalela umuntu abengelanda ayihlabela inyonzo kuphela but I track iyaphuma libe hit song why la singakwenza lapho lawe ngabe le track uncedise we push I track isihambe.
I think enye challenge esilayo thina nti ama artists esilawo amanengi akhona eVictoria Falls they are not well educated entweni lezi ze music ovido nxa ubuya kimi sizoyenza itrack my guy kule paperwork ku track leyana as a producer I've got my 25% etracking lakho uyabona. Now I know ukuthi track leyana sesengelakho wedwa selingelakho lami so problem ukuthi akula transparency oqaliseni lapha nekhulumeni afaje ngifuna itrack nje kanya unike kuyi20 right hlabe inhlabele ichorus yakho you see but kungakhulunywa kuhle likhulume kuhle no my guy lapha ngile 25% yami wena uyabungazi yabulengaki 75 yini yabulazi asisipane sibonisana ukuthi awufa mina vela ama-artist amaningi lezi sihluphana khona apho nje.
Let's say sesipush i-tracks lapha ukhuma ama-royalties ngabe on YouTube or ngabe kuma-social media
anyway wona obakwazi ukuthi etracking lakho khona apho phela itracking lakho but just know mina etracking lakho into ngeyakho but I've got my 25% lapho kuzaba mnandi khona phela 25% lana obakwazi ukuthi ngaproducer and by default vele producer uthatha 25%.
Okay,
by default
but since music ingana ayibhadali sharp
but abantu ababhadalayo sharp and
kumele
kuhamba kuhle nje oskidi they are getting their money from Winkidi vela abahluphani nje i-track nje bengicela ubona i-track liperform njani phela bekugaya paperwork track liperform so calculator la i-percentage yakho ngawo lama tax libanjelwa ama tax but okay uma senkwakho kukhona whenever you want it siyakuphi imali yakho.
Alright.
Yabona.
Okay.
Problem yena ukuthi alikhulume eqaliseni uhlubu nje la afaje ngileti lokuyi 30 phela ngifuna itrack
yiko phela
sengiqeda lapho mase sithi hlabela ichorus vele ungavele njayela ichorus sesiqedile ipaper work.
Alright.
Yabona uhamba uphuma le track lakho uyazihambela ngendawo mina cause there's nothing okwami khona lapha ku track.
But wena futhi ngize ngu-approach ukuthi asenze so but la uyangifinca ngeke student ukuthi uvideo lokhu yiloko
ngikutsho ukuthi I think promise ukuthi abantu bethu ngapha kakhulu abakho well educated
and what about amanye ama-producer do you think bawucabanga nokucabanga
bawucabanga but abafuni ukufaka into existence nje kuphela.
Alright, so
ucabanga bawucabanga bawazi
wena as a good producer wena phela good producer ayidwina nxa phambasana.
So I was doing but I'm a very extremely good producer.
So Dino I
know my work. Amfukambela manga mina I know my work, I know my value by now sengikwazi. Isikhathi sonke lesi sizithulele sabe starta khona ukuthi ngibe kwazi ukuthi kahle ngenza wani. Yabona. I know my worth mina anyakutshela kathesi ukuthi eforce lapha ufuna umbalela ama-producers mina ama-artist ama-track aplay waku yini track lika Razda play wakubani le.
So ubusithi wena kumele ngoba le ama-producers
right yeah ale track ibra ela play ku Trace Africa lapha eforce
lokho ngiyakuzwa sikajeliseka ngiyakuzwa lokho kanti but ama-producers akona ukuthi they are not good ukuthi ama-tracks angaplay mbe abala connection mina mfuna ukubalela ama studios akhona la
lapha
unje ukuthi abakho right because mina ngiyacina kona imizuzu usachisa thing udala ngesikhathi sabo kuthiwa yini what music Tushara music wapikelele something ngala yesikhathi akhona lani kwazobe indlovu layo yabuyachisa sokuphelile kana kwasala indlovu after indlovu kwavuka kunye phela amaningi ama and then there's maduku kulomunye ntombi twambani
amaduka ngimazi yazi nihlezi ngisizwa ngayo amaduka ngimazi yazi but ya
ndoda wena uzama process
umaduku ibambile
umunye wathatha iaward
umaduku ibambile force currently ibambile
uthawumazi
angimazi but isipano sakhe ngiyasazi akumelanga ngibe kwazi yena first kumele uqala ukukhulunywa lo imisebenzi yakho kumele ube kwazi video eGwanda wena ulapha eForce yabona
alright
nothi ukuthi uqala ngokuba wazi wena so try ngiyohlebela lapha hayi my guy alright so but imisebenzi yakhe awuspanile uspanile
so yiko ngisho ukuthi abantu labo ama producer wona lapha noma fake imphe aba producer uthi ama tricks awange
connections wathatha una connection la track ile yazikhandela that track submit you just submit your track with Trace Africa my guy track ile yaplayiwa elokhu ikanda tisakupela track ile yaplayiwa
sa ukuthi asile ama producers
ngidlalela mina
hayi uthi abakhonisa producer alright
but no not ukuthi akula ama producers and but I'm just saying ukuthi
they are not good
mina not ukuthi abakafiki ku level lami bengabe bengelani la ukuhambisa ama track e Trace African but mina I know I am good because ngile production eyahambayo khona ngale bayivuma yabona not ukuthi wona abakwanisi or wona bayistudio but mina I'm saying mina I know my sound is good ngafuna ukuthi my sound is good listen itrack lika Razda lesi dropile I think a month ago uzwi sound yami ubuyele emuva
your sound is good
yabona
it's good
so
ngingazi ukuthi uyabadlula bonke
akubadlula bonke ngiyabadlula bonke umuntu ozamphikisa
ndoda
ngiyadlula lonke ngiyamphikisi
uyabadlula bonke
anyabadlula
no isifanele yazichiko lama alright mina ngicula wazi unaida wena ukwasipana labo maningi abantu usipane labo kakhulu like ama journalist eForce amaningi kakhulu and then boom 2 minutes and Facebook sesihlangana lokunye but waphendula yena I think uzaphendula ngansa kwazi
kwathwani
kwazi kwapost something but message ansayazi
like I usually don't
mina wena wasenza le television phela big time and wayepusha wena kuphela night birthday boom
it was ukuthi mina I think angazi man ngwini but I think we have got ama issues le television but I think mina the issues were uchomi lona ngamncedisa kakhulu mina nje yabona. But wona ukukhuluma lokhu ukuthi thina sahlezi sipostwa maybe into enongayikhuluma maybe ku Victoria Falls magazine not ku Televive. Aku Televive we never got vele lokuzeni exposure naleyo oyichoyo
maybe mina ngingahlala kuzenta ukuthi like ema groupini happy birthday ulale lingaleli ngawo
ngiyakutshela for the last maybe 2 years eforce lapha kula muntu ongabe drop ama track njengorazi sesidrop ama track amaningi ayindlovu nje.
Alright,
but ngiyakutshela ama tracks ona la sibe siziphushela and sisaziphushela you see abakwenzayo akulani lami engikwenzayo akulani labo yabona. But engikwaziyo ukuthi
ngasho njalo ngiyakuzwisisa imagazini yakwazi imagazini iVictoria Falls magazine yayiposta kakhulu. But there's this into like ku Facebook and Televive posted yaposta kodwa ngihambela lenzaneni umbona obashawudile into yenzeni phela into ezifuze yazi zona shaphi 2 minutes elishawudani so
kulo bhuti wami uTelevive maybe konza sidelelana unjayela kabi wena futhi azikafuni ukupost isipano sethu angazi ukuthi isibangani vele
but wayikuposta phela yini wazostopa uthi wena nade phela yashawuda maybe
ngishawudi mina ngifuna into straight angishawudi umuntu mina ubhudazi ngiyasifundisa ukuthi sibe straight because sasi under i-wing like lokuzini sisesele studio saseshino team.
Alright,
MES sasi under i-wing like ngiyasifundisa into ezi straight so mina ngifuna into ezi straight.
Okay, I think it's
but otherwise yonke into iswitch angisoli anything ukuzipanela siyasipanela labo bayasipanela sipana ngephesi yabo athi sisipana ngephesi yethu.
But ama journalists ngawe-force bra kuze sithembe bonke besiphushela
bawiki
sisibona sokujika umunye umuntu uthi awuzibantwana wenze so ngangisipana laye but kade sisenzani kwathini so zilase sifuna kuba clear phela yabona njengomphakathi sithi but hayi producer phela nguNaid ama big producers phela ngasokusinje sokusimangalisa anyway I think is ya but yo phela futhi ayisepusha ama awards yilana owathatha.
I've never ever gotten award from ku Victoria Falls Televive. Ayithathanga
ama Victorians phela
azange ngithathe even lo Raz la ngathanga ukuzubona ukuthi
uEskata wathatha wena waphiwa
kwaba ukuthi
one nominate wasuphiwa
my guy iko phela ngabona khona ukuthi no we are just forcing lapha mana sibachiye bezenzela into zabo. But on first edition yama awards ama Victorian lawana I was there from ekseni up to ntambama.
Alright.
Ancedisa kakhulu like I played a very big a very pivotal role.
Yeah, it's biblical. It's vibing,
yabona. But at the end of the day I didn't get anything, not ukuthi ngamfuni award because ngambancedisile but sipano sami unfortunately sipano sami
phela pana ngiwadi ukhala emalangeni lawo
cabanga ndodi
ngiwadi ukhala honestly ngiwadi ukhala but anyway
but anyways yeah labantu ngathi sifuna ama awards sizazenzela wethu ama awards nje sizazenzela wethu sinikane lobo Raz yabona post sithi silama awards sinikane even 4 sithi silama awards ngala into serious ngaphepha la nama Victorian awards la
hayi but ngawethu phela lami nje yalifuna bra lokuthi hayi nominate mina lowaxesa ngaze nominate ngifuna lelo odd mina kuthi nini nizama ukulwisa la but wena phela uzangazivotisana nikuzibona babesena sithi sivotisene
kuvotisane mina wena
umuntu kumele sivotisele bra uzuwini but angikwazi ke ngama-fans nimbeke ama-fans udinga
wengidizwa kwalo icela ukuthi limvotelile yabona ama-awards avotela lokhana nje because liyana into eprogrammed liyana ngathi iqalisa wahlala lihlale litshela abantu ingavuni ukwenza abantu izilima lapho sanitshela abantu ukuthi asikunike sifunika lo because liyana ibusiness liyana nje la bazabe bezama ukuthi bephushela beside yabona so obvious abantu bazabe bezasola but ungasoli kakhulu because that's business at the end of the day.
Ziyabuya dog.
So
ziyabuya ziyakhala
siyaspana ukusipana siyaspana and zisazokhala sharp
sazofio mina lami futhi uyenza urecord ambonani seyihlaleka
sazokhala sharp
so akubi madoda so mina ngifuna i-collab mdala lawe not lo Raz wena
uyakhuluma lo Raz ngimanager wami
uRaz ngimanager wawo wena so manager wakhe
umanager wakhe
yena umanager wakho
balance company yami company yami urazi manje company yakhe umanager.
Okay, mapizza ko mina ngikaze ngizwe kuthiwa into something i-take kuba ufayela urazi kuphela.
Akungikhatha ngifake i-take la kula need ukuthi ngifake i-take vele
kanje music izihambela
music yazihambela kule track
elitsha lento ngokukhuluma so usenza umuntu right but rough yakho ufisa ukuthi ishabu nje ikhuluma cool but
mina do I lie to you my guy.
But mina ngikubala bya rafula yakwazi
mbuza even kumtasa utshomo sharp mina
umtasa usifanele
awula umuntu angazwana nelayi cha kumtasa ngifana nami yona always with umtasa nje
hayi niyasipana
always ngoliyo amajita cheka wacho mabanengi nje ku music industry even uBruno labana
umjita abafana bakho
mina think mina like engingenana nama producers amaningi lama artists amaningi phakathi kwabantu ama producers amaningi eSFOs lapha nje
ukuthi
mina nje mina rise nginelana nje
unangenela lami
mina ngiyangenana nawe ungazona nxa ngenana lami but mina ngiyangenana mama video kari chomo wamwe karifuya la sesifaka ikamera phambili usuyala nje uchomo wamwe
hayi ngilotshwa abaningi sharp but mbonani ulokuyi pride nyamele sikuthatha
not pride nje lobuvila yabona senilobuvila de sengikhulile ngisafuna into ezinisebenzisayo ngizibona ukuthi akulapha ezayo yakhona yabona ngabona effort yakho nje urazi faka effort enenge entweni lezi mfuthi manga iput a lot of effort nje yabona
so ngibhesi artist la ku force vele la
effort la
ngibhesi artist ngathi ngicazo ukuthi night aqamba ama artist futhi
the best artist in Future Force
alazi mathebhelele ndo right
mathebhelele
bane
ngile best artist in ngiyazimana ngisabuza ukuthi ngile best artist in engilithandayo mina favorite artist yami
uthi izingoma zangefola lapha nyalalela
Force like the whole Mat North angina adlalela nguyi best artist la mina
urazi
hayi that one is Meiji
akulo olandela
number 1 yena 2 yena 3 yena 4 that's landela
fuck
it's very good
all right
yeah plus
ukhatha umfaki lapho ukhatha phela I mean I think you with the best lapha evoice so far like in terms of vocal
ukhatha mangutshele nje ukhatha no doubt yi best evikera ngi best e4000 onubuza ibest kabani ngonombuza yani best
yakona it's fine
hayi akakhatha yi best evikera like
the top kings yama best lawo
angazi agcina kudala ukuzwa anything from ama top kings angazi maybe mina ngaphuma algorithm
lawona zonke ba producer
I've never
awuspana la kuvika
I think
but basipana phela kuma top shot ababuya la keeping ngoma nalo amanda
come for Kata phela because Kata wayichisile nje alright come for Kata so abantu bayobuya ulanda uKata mina ngithi no problem bangalanda uKata ngapha ku music ingoma ngase kumele iphume kuzafunakala icover bazalanda mina
sibe kulanda
malanta ngikwanisi ukuyenza my guy I can produce I can do art cover I can edit even video like I do a lot of things
okay
I do mixing I do mastering I do beat making
okay the best producer
I do Indlovu music like yeah
so
but Kundlovu like the step is very very solid my guy
okay
because it's like graphic designers, producers, you've got a videographer, we've got a photographer. It's none of your business of it.
Mina so far efforts because I company yazi top kumshas yena videographer.
Lento ezikwanile.
Top kumshas. So far. Iruka stories yephethe
yazibambile. Mangafiki ngithi. Kuthiwa yachisa singakafiki thina nxa sesifikile thina so mhla ka1 kule this project leka Kasambabezi we doing ishow eComfort ovidio ehle utshela abantu ukuthi sile show eComfort wenhloni le show yankona video
ubona sunginela mina phela vele abantu basazotshelwa
asibatshele nabantu sile show
stories zakho wena kuze sesizoma rumors sometimes uqathi umuntu ebuye
mina ngila anything interesting like
awula
ngila my guy
into yazi phela uthi wena the best producer
ngilolo nje njengoba ukhulumile ukuthi ngilolo uchomo
so besithi endlini lapha kulo sizi njengo producer wena umama wasendlini kathini Mrs Ndlovu
so
bebanengi alright
so
mhlawumbe bakulo yiwani kulabaningi
so
alright kule girlfriend yini
okay mana ngikutshele lapho into engibhayizilazi ukuthi nani ukuthi ngubuze umbuzo ukuthi Ovid lapha ufuna into uinterview uDerek or ufuna interview uDJ Night
alright uDJ Night unomfazi
hayi these la abantu abayi2 DJ Night it's musical my guy so akula any relationship engiyo musically but uDerek
alright
uthethe and esikhathini esiningi I'm here because of DJ Night. So I'll talk about DJ Night.
Nxa sefuna uDerek.
Nxa sifuna uDerek somela ulande endlini manje sizokhulumela kimi. Sokhulumela endlini yabona but nxa sengiphandle lapha especially ngibuye ngikwazi.
But obviously DJ Night uconnected to Derek kanti. Kuyawile into abafuna ukuzizwa abantu ukuthi akharicho mlwana phela. Kuzogeligele bayekubona endlini lapha
sisebenza.
Umlo uyayenza lo. Wena ungabazi.
Hayi mina ulanto engiyenzayo. Angiyenzi mina anginathi unfortunately anginathi angidakwa I don't go out anymore so I'm always home my life is home work studio repeat
yeah good
yabona so angilasikhathi
so
ngabe uthi ngiyakumbuluzela maybe hlezi umbona phandle ukuthi mibhehlangana la mebusuku ukuthi awuchomlo yangimbuluzela manje le ndaze usuku yangikhona ngalasikhathi
uchanga irikeni
umuzi
ngiyayifunda lebusuku ushanga irikeni
wabuzela ngitshomo wami umuzi
right no
limproducer like muzi ushomela bekunika iproject eli1
ngizalinika uyizwa ngoba iphuma yathi
ngizalibhadala mina hayi ngifuna elinye
akuna ngoba iphuma yathi blind so ithini ingoma leyani
ama producers akhona
esikhulume vele simele
ama producers akhona eforce yabona
lapho sesiyakhona
sebenza nini lingabe lokuvila fala ngabe lokuvila gents spana nini
siyasipana
kuyalunga phela ama shortcuts kasebenzi we have been there take your time konke ama producers ayeforce
why ngingakhulumi la mingenze shortcut
you are doing a good now video have been in this business for a very long time. Now maybe kula ama podcast uqalisa test party you know art from a very 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 long time nje.
Okay.
Yabona so
ndo umhlaba ngithi sisenza ama shortcut bra.
Nxa fuyenza ama shortcut yenza akula problem but music is spiritual my guy. Uyakufila la uyezwa ukufila ukuthi okay ngokwami but ayisimi.
Ayisiko kwami.
Yabona ufila la ukuthi ayisimi yabona. But nxa ungelakho lekani ukufila ukuthi this is not you. Le problem which means also umuntu wemusic.
Okay.
Yabona. So I music siyasithunela live even kubhoa siyachuna kuphela live.
Kuze kube right.
Asoze swela abakuthandayo esikwenzayo nje.
So niya producer nama artists kulama artists laba uthi awumboni lo muntu akana talent lo muntu awulalutho awuhlatshelwa next but ulesifiso wena yakwazi umpheke be right.
Like angisela isikhathi sana leso kade like kwakufuna laphana laphana sise studio laphana full day se studio aphuma even o9 cabanga ngathi ngivele emsebenzini somele ngizohlala lawe phansi futhi ngithi ngilasi isikhathi sana leso
uyamekele hlabela into yakhe
mina vele ufuna umuntu oyazi into ayenzayo manje lami ubuye kimi ngiyazi into engiyenza
la ayibile le mali yakho nansi nayidani
ufuna imali mina video
nansi 300 yakwani
vela la
mhlabeni nyonso
yazi ukuthi eforce lapha akula muntu ozambhadala imali engifuna production so ngcono ngikwenzele mahara
uzenza inhliziyo yakho yonke ngizaba nguyenza futhi ayahamba
mahara ayikwenzela inhliziyo yami yonke kanje mina mebe ngivolunteer because imali engiyifunayo uzabona mhlambe akuhlolela because ngakucharge even ngathi $85 pay track ada siqalisele vela nqathi ungafuni intshela mbani ona mbani eforce lapho ngabhadala itrack le $50 wena noma zi artist
ngiyabhadala mina
ubuze bhadala uvideo
but wena kwafuna ukuba ngikhansela phela ngesikhathi sehlashi notimba
mina uba ngikhansela uvideo
asa ufuna ukukhansela yini mehlanisa indaba isikhathi zakutakataka wena ufuna ukukhansela utakataka lincedisana
taka ke ufuna ngikhansela not mina nje ubhodasi wayefuna isikhundla laphana but unfortunately akusahamba the way ayefuna khona yena in as much as kungahambanga the way asifuna khona kuma awards akhe So yakatholakala so akatholakala
but bese yimaro siyapost into ze-force yabona
iproblem esilayo nje yabona the way sesisipana ngakhona kudala lapha singabe le idea lento esiyenzayo sharp like laphana even sesingabambananga but work isibilile manje ngaphi kwesipano wabe kwesipano yakwathi kulezi ngo-risto ngapho risto yakwathi angarelease album like vele uyabuya uzamfonela afake check ngiconjunele art cover the last art cover the album cover eka risto vibes mengayidesigner the last one and
last cover
kwakuthiwa yini bizo le album leyana
ngoma zakhe mina kwazi ingoma zakhe lene basi udriver and stuff but angikwazi ukuthi
kwakuthiwa yini album leyana
I'm not sure yet.
Anyways, may you so rest in peace. Akatholakala.
Yakona ku tense.
Ku blind nje so just figuring.
Yila umuntu ayichaya music, immature music lecho.
Risto. Yeah, ayichaya music.
Ngifela siyayisukuma lesivini.
Wayengene ngehathi.
Ayithanda yathi.
Even Bora at some point he was very good. Tese relaxile.
But you keep up in. Ubonela intandana lezaga.
If I vibe like ese relaxile. Hey ngambona kathi ecomplaina ngemarathon. Guys kuyatholakala. Kuyatholakala. Iproblem ukuthi thina sifuna ukwenza ama shows ethu like ukuthi uzenzele yakhe show. Kuthiwa kule show eka Bora hambeni kule show eka Escata ishow. Sakuyadlupha ukuthi kade sinqa kuthiwa right dinga umuntu ogcine like uyabugcina nini uperforma video.
Ndoda mina ngili artist ngiyahlabela angisoze ngikwanisa ukuthi ngihlabele ngizi-organize ishow you understand but ube lo ma promoter nje i-party beats
excuse yakho leyo video leyo
alright zona uthi babe right kusithiya ama artists
wena last year zangisayenza ama shows ka Raza i2 sizenzela mina lo Raza asizenzela
but andiyabona
abantu babuya sayenza ima
but yike sikusolayo
azange saba consistent yabona but ngikutsho mina video ngokuthi nje ungameleli ukuthi ukunyiswa ngabanye abantu nje iziyenzele ishow account khona bayabona ukuthi uMlwana and serious ngento ayenzayo nje abantu babuya nje ke force angazi why list dawuta lini lifumelela ama promoters nje kasemalini nje avela dinga imali ukuthi azaqala ukuthi bethi sizathi sifuna uOvido emfela ndawonye nga
but nanguyendi sezamini
yendi phela agenda yakhe vele ngakhona ukuthi yendi yalanda ngozodinga imali kini because akula mali engamnika yona lini yendi Otherwise anganika lina futhi imali.
Hayi sikho khona but amashow meli senze let's push it ama artists of meli sibambane nikazi senza amashow then uthi sibele uthi uzibane
ngizabe abambane nomuntu
oVido but isisola i1
oVido manje utshela to begin with lile studio lapha lilo producer liyakwanisa ukubamba icamera lila icamera lila ama lights la yenza ipodcast the way the same way zakhona ipodcast linje li step senu liyazenzela ishow yini ifuna ungabuya ngabantu okusalayo lebelenzile mdala yabona
yeah but uyakwazi na every force very comedy they are very ignorant and there was
no problem
so now and sesifuna someone will influence like that andone like interesting sisoluthi wena kule kuyi-party beats abantu balapha akula vino
ufuna ukumelela umuntu le influence
so lesomela kumbecela
awutrust wena wena ubona ngento yenza ichazi abantu wena
kuseforce la
but wena ubona ngento yenza ichazi abantu
wena yachaza but kumele besithathe besifake
video hamba phambili kwabantu hamba uyehlabela nje
ngisehlabela ngapi ungena
ona zakubona uChumana iblawala ohlabela igospel wayifaki befuqa inqola lama CDs
ivinto zabo gospel ngingahamba ngithi bhuma lazo ngena abantu bathi bathi uyahlanya lo
guy don't doubt yourself Jay madoda ngiyalitshela ngalifuna iYope yami linjele madoda ngalincedisa even ulungisela iposter yabona lami lokulinika ama ideas singakwenza njani kuphela but engikutsho ukuthi kuphosebe ukuthi lizenzele ishow yena lisifonela afa nje ngiyakudinga check lesidiniwe la eforce lapha nqa uRaza engareleaseanga probably akula anyone obe releaseile ndoda for 2 months kungela umuntu oreleaseileo
uthole ba release
nqa engayizange azingaphi ingoma zankona uVido mina ngu-algorithm wrong yini zingaphi ingoma zankona umuntu erelease ingoma the same way ngitshela khona
thousands from Maduku ngale bra there's thousands songs from uthoni uthi uhamba ngifana lona ngale
the same way ngimtshelile uVido ukuthi che lucky kwakhe chi project lana kaSamba bethi lokho bagcina ulipost video ikhichi wena ukhatha ngenjalo umbone poster
yini mina ngiyaposta mina
yabona awu laba posta nini every day man make noise bangena nini abantu idatha ngelakho nje posta every day problem enga abapost umuntu uyaposta ka1 so mele mina ngimdinge
but ngeke usithothi it was
video mina ngiproduce omkhulu eforce lapha mela ngabe ngidingana lama artist la kudinga izinto bakhipheni nje
asiyali wena ngomdala
wena ngeke ngidingana nama artist la but engikutsho ukuthi alright yenza nini ama shows ngizaye ngizothola kule show kabani ubora la ngomojalo ku mira ngama shows ngimbone sibili kubo PM ngale kanjalo ngibona la esowathula but engikutsho ukuthi asenze nini ama shows even engelabantu video bagcina iproblem ukuthi la level and sport esingayisiso yabona hambe comfort lapha abantu bakuvele bekhona abantu that advantage ukuthi abantu bavele bekhona
fika uchaya
umkarate kancishi umuntu isport lapha ngihambe ekhuluma lathi amdara nini sound yangu band rangu kulanzwimbo nje
maybe sibaleka irace abantu befuthi maybe ncabe perform kuyaboza ingoma mesithini but mina solo uthi wena ukwagcina urazi
urelease awule ingoma engizwile engizwe ngaphi yo video ngitshele
Priza ulaleli wena Priza
FM wena ngenza iPhone ayina FM iPhone ndoda mina la lapho Radio Garden ngesemsebenzini mina embusy le so manje ngizwe ku Priza FM uthi release ingoma wena ingoma maphorisa nga release angimuzwa ku Priza FM mina maphorisa yabona
ku critical lapha ku tense phela lapha
ungangenzi ngihambe FM le ukudingize ngiyokuzwa ukuthi ingoma irelease nje
so uthini ngama artist alright wenzeni
ma like problem isilawu ne-force lapha sila idea ukuthi ingoma mele release njani yabona umuntu ya release ingoma namuhla kula budget akasakulandeleli asakusheyi cabanga plus iproblem isilawu ukuthi thina silama groups phela thina lapha
yes net
ngabona ingoma abarelease ama artist
ekhaya uyizwanga kule ekhaya kule
ekhaya ipenkweni
alright mana sidlule kule ekhaya mina kubalela ama hit song akhona
right kule ekhaya hit song
kule ka Rasboom
yiko phela ngitsho ukuthi nxa nga release anga phela ubhuti omdala kula muntu o release
awona net wasitelela
Kade sithi nxa ikhiphile ingoma lalisizwe ukuthi ama top chart akhiphile ingoma. Nxa likhiphile ingoma yena yenza thina singezwe ukuthi likhiphile.
So konsithi phela ukuthi akula producer.
Indlovu ingakhipha.
La wena idea ukuthi awukho.
Hayi uzuthi ngitheni? Into eproblem eforce ukuthi kule ama producers are good over ama artists.
Akula ma artists are good.
Like you wait khona singaware so ama producers esilawa bra top class. Lama producers are perfect force la.
Ndo phela sowathi good but ungekho good.
Mina I'm very good of video vela ngangitshela ukuthi angikho good of video mina ngikude. Sile proof yokuthi mina ngikude. Kathisa want to play anything yami.
Ufanta ngale ba release ama real uzingoma kwabo usilent killer ingoma izothi ingoma le yayi license le but iba hit so why is lingakwenzi laba producer. Yabeli sithi aloka kwazi ukuhlabela lokho kwazi ukuhlabela but abafana ngale bayakhipha
Probably ama producer ngifuzisa ukuthi like uproducer uba good nge hit song or kula producers are like
with good music good track hit song
mdala so ubona ngana producers kulama ngedeke lama hit song amangaka be release asithi ka kule 5 but from ku 5 my hit song kule 100 ingoma eziproduciwe so uthi ingoma zonke zana ziko good
good but kumele uphume something tangible ukuthi alapha siyathi alright lapha nawo sweet
manje ushimiza
amathi lezo uthiwa ubhumu uthiwa urazi nyogudu phela nabanye nesadlala
ngiyokhipha something tangible esikhathini
abanye labakhipha shit
ngiyokhipha something tangible esikhathini esiningi and lo Chris Oz ngiyambona these days is doing good but akula part but is doing good
umaskawo
but Chris Oz is doing good ending le proof la ukuthi is doing good because ile track elikhula le
release shout out to Chris Oz
so far Chris Oz ule two ma project amakhulu kulokasamba bezi ukhona kule track lakhe is doing good
kamina wena ngakawundi kuzikhona masamba bezi
la ku track lenga
ilo lona liyani
iko phela ngitsho ukuthi Chris Oz ule two phela yabona lama video solid proper stuff Chris Oz ngama connections ami ngamfaka sharp ama connections ami lapha track is alapha ku Trace yaba ku Trace Africa
shit ama connections sanza kuma la yewe Chris Oz ubuye ku Naida angazi mbe kuyaphuma yini yase ku Apple lapha usithi
put ama busy put as ispano man ispano
Alright, so
but
anyway.
ngibusy because urazi lama track amele ephume, so every day of my life vele ngibusy my guy.
So uRaz ukhipha ne-album.
We're doing ama-singles. I album asla energy la.
But this has been akula video uRaz uyathi wena ublind but akula video siyibona phela so far.
Urazi kule video vele la videos amele ephuma ashutwa nje.
Akhona kudala. Washutwa mbani?
Blackstone nje.
Blackstone.
Ngitshelile ukuthi indlovu inkulu nje. Ngitshela nini ukuthi libakhulu lapha. Ngifaka uBlackstone lapha ningitshela ukuthi lina libakhulu li.
Ngidakhona amavideos ukhona uFozi ngani?
Ama videographer.
Ukhona uFozi uproducer.
Angithi ama videographer bingitshela ukuthi kule step esingamelana la mina. Force la.
Ngikhona mina.
Mbani?
Mina ngiyamela uBlackstone kathesi.
Yamazi.
Bakhona umpostori, bakhona Nigel. Producer Vifosi.
Angikhuluma ngama-funnies mate.
Maye. So uzama uthi ama-funnies. Usuna nje ngeke ushude wena lo uzini.
Hayi shude mina ejele shuda mina.
Hayi. Mburazi.
Hayi. Ngabe sashuda udala phela.
But quality jabu wena wosolani umuntu eshuda.
Umuntu lo muntu le standard sakhe nje.
So lena i low standard.
Akulo standard. Mina thina sim-affordayo nguBlackstone because uBlackstone uchiphile.
Wena manje uchiphile uBlackstone.
Angazi but I think uBlackstone uchiphile udlula Nigel. Ikona sisebenza la eBuddhas. Because uchiphile
ama video akaphuma uTrace. Phela ngelenye le kaRaz futhi engayibona iphuma elolo kuzini.
Babongile.
Elo babongile. Ala ngihlala ngiyibona
manje yabona.
Trace Africa.
Enye force wayibona futhi yipi?
Nyami.
Amadluphuthu.
Chela abadluphuthu.
So rest in peace abantu bayafa cheke.
Kona kuya akutense. Anyway guys, mina pay bro. Mina le mali bro.
I know you pay of it.
I pay.
But uRaz ningawomchiphisa uRaz. Raz is very big my.
Than who?
Everyone here in Chera Force we like.
But I know if uRaz kumkana hit song but kula nyama hit song athi when
it's not all about having a hit song my guy.
But if even though ule good song but nxa engazange ya pop out
because wakwaba la hit song uRaz yabona
long time back.
Akulandawo okusala ukuthi wake waba layo. Ama-artists amaningi they're surviving out of that my guy.
But this thing athi kala okay.
Yabona even kathesi thathi track likaRaz lilalele kuhle video thathe lesikhathi sakho. Thathi isikhathi sakho video lalela iproduction.
Guys hayi
ipromote ukuthi uyabulalela ufuna ukusola yabona. Just take your time.
Angafundiswa nguwe lo khada mina.
Buddhas. Seke wabuya la kuBuddhas.
Hayi simbisi.
Nxa lapho zabuya khona lo Buddhas ngifuna ukuba khona because uBuddhas is very big futhi ngeke umlethe lapha eWali. Lethi nxa lami sengafila safe ukuthi umfana wakho ukhona.
Wena kulalutho lapha.
Obhuti bespace basebenzile mfana.
Hayi suka. Abala sent.
I sent khona video. Awubona iskin isitshintshile my guy.
Awuna spana phela. Una you are working my guy.
Kanjani?
Uyasipana.
Mbona ungasebenziyo phakathi kwethu kwaphana?
Hayi asiliya siveke lapho.
You are working my guy.
Asichi. Bana mali athi le ya.
Imali ye-studio nje. I'm gaining weight.
Maybe you but uRaz Phumulo khada imali asomali ye-studio. Those guys they are suffering.
Indlovu ngeyami lo Raz. So imali yonke ngena indlovu ngidliwa
uRaz hayi vele uyibisa njani imali ye-studio sakho wena uRaz?
Uyibisa njani? Siyathengisa amabhitela amahukho vithi ngafuna ibhitela le-chorus kathi siyawuthengisa.
Ngithenge mina. I'm big my guy.
uRaz yakufaka emephini.
Hayi mina big.
Angazi ukuthi siphikisana nini but uRaz yakufaka emephini.
Efaka ubani?
Ngako le anyone eForce.
Ngila matrix
ngako le anyone oseForce ufuna ungena emephini sharp ufuna ufakwe channelini sharp. Bamba mina kuhlanganise lo Raz my.
Ngithi abaningi abantu abasemephini but bengoRaz.
eForce.
Muzi kumap. Sofa uphezu kaRaz phela lezi umuzi. Little muzi as we are talking right now. He's on top.
Sisingakhuluma ngama-map acheni.
Hayi.
Talking of map ye music
Chris was on top futhi. Moscow is there.
I can tell you for a fact ukuthi bonke abantu ngabaqamba thesi. So wavuka ngibahlanganise noRaz sasa bayavuka bembonga bonke ukuthi forward lama message ukuthi nangu ngiyabonga uChris Oz lapho ukuthi ngimfake lo Raz. Nangu Moscow lapho uyabonga ukuthi ngimfake lo Raz. Nangu ubani lapho uyabonga ukuthi ngimfake lo Raz.
Ciao Moscow.
Uchawa imali eberiyawo.
Sivalo lo guys. Sinika ama advice mdala before sivala lapho kwenza ukuthi kusasa singala.
So engakutsho phela mina kuma creatives ase Vic Force asifake nini much effort nje kuphela lama artists ase Victoria Falls sonke ozaziyo ehlabela ngoba le show yakho at least even ka 2 ngeye even ka 1 ngeye sibuye sikuhambe sikwazi lathi silanda ishow ka DJ Onjo Sethuli these days ayabona umfana
uqalisile futhi
yona Onjo yabulala Onjo is very good yabona but ebe ngikuthi ukuthi like asenze nini ama shows even engasoze buya abantu let's just do shows why sizidawutha why kwamele simele iConnect ukuze sithole ishow
like bakhalelo
ugcina nini ukuzwa ishow uBhuti Omdala uMafia King le show eforce ugcina nini ukuyizwa
uBhuti Omdala
na ngoBhuda nayahlonipha uBhuda zo video mina ngichomo shapa athi ngijike la uzikhuluma ukuthi mina ngichomo shapa mina ngiyahlonipha
uBhuda awumafia sebhizi ngento wathi ndiyabona abakhulu labantu abahamba ngendege so ba busy ngento eziserious
hamba ngendege
kama ngithi ndoda
ngikuzimisa like angazi I haven't been following up like
yeah sengikutshela uhlale hamba ngendege lo mfana ke begijimisa into eziserious bigger than music.
I mean lo ngamajita vele wina ngila problem lakho nje
so ikuhamba think ikisebemile indaba zama shows and stuff
but icabanga ukuthi ngabe sikhuma ukuthi yikho ngikutsho ukuthi by the time sokumele senze into eziserious abantu sebele ubuvile force yabona
so madoda uthwaqina nini ngifuna ama-advice
asenze nini ama shows bebuye kuba ama shows guys I'm open for business I'm open for ama advices habe ngibelewe lwafuna kimi guys I'm your plug yani ndizombona chance
what
ngilifake entweni ezisharp
athi unesincane yona anyway it's fine guys namhla besilo 9 thank you abalo siwuthona iplug ka bantu waplug ubani wena hayi yona night asan bro no it's fine
ngiyawutshithe le career yoba right of it after this episode of podcast life will change over it. Never be the same again.